Good morning, traders. You're welcome to the weekly market analysis with TenTrade. Today we'll be looking at the movers and shakers for the week starting 9th of October 2023. Over the weekend, we had breaking news of Hamas attack on Israel, which is currently leading to geopolitical tensions. And Israel has formally declared war on Hamas, which is an Islamist militant group, after it launched an attack over the weekend. One of the things that will move in the market this week is the consumer price index. We have this for Germany on Wednesday. We have CPI for the US on Thursday. We have CPI for France on Friday, and we have CPI for Spain on Friday as well. Most especially for the US, you know that the CPI is a very volatile news release. And so traders would have to watch out for this carefully and adjust their positions, adjust your trades accordingly. Okay, next we have the earnings report. It's Q3 season, and we'll be looking at different earnings reports that can move the market. We have JP Morgan, we have Wells and Fargo, we have Citigroup, we have BlackRock. What we don't know is how these companies, we're looking at how these companies will fare as we watch for these reports. Okay, so what are the opportunities in the market this week? I'm looking at Euro, Dollar, H4 time frame. You can see on the H4 time frame, you have a clear descending channel. And what we see here is basically price reacting to this resistance here at this trend line. And most likely we might see price going down further to test the lower trend line. Of course, you know, nothing is guaranteed in the market. Next, we have gold on the daily time frame. As a result of the Hamas strike on Israel, over the weekend we had a price gap. As you can see here, we had a price gap up here as a result of that strike. But on gold as well, you can see we have a clear, also a descending channel on gold with a bounce from this support. If this bounce is sustained, we might likely see a further up move up to the upper descending trend line. Okay, these are some setups that we will be watching at the TenTrade Analysis Center. On daily time frame on AUD card, we can see a clear descending channel. So let's go to the H1 time frame and see the price action. Now, what we are watching, if this support can be sustained for the next 8 to 10 hours, and we see price test this support zone, right? We would be looking for a possible buy setup. If this support holds, we might see price bouncing from 0.86591, bouncing back up to the resistance at 0.87443. That is for AUD card. And we have another interesting setup on pound Canadian dollar. Market is clearly in a downtrend, but we see a corrective move here, and we can see a distinct expanding channel, trend lines there, okay, with price currently trying to take out this lower trend line. Let's look at H1 time frame. Now, what we'll be looking at the TenTrade Analysis Center is if price would hold within this zone for the next 10 hours as well, similar to AUD card. After this 10 hours, we'll be looking for a possible sell for a breakout of this support, as well as a push below this trend line for a short-term sell. So if you are interested in following these setups, do not hesitate to join the TenTrade Academy. You can reach out to our support numbers as you can see on the screen, call or WhatsApp. You can also reach us on our social media handles, TenTrade Africa. And if you are in Lagos, do not hesitate to visit us at our office. Address, second floor GWX building at 45 Okpebi Road, Ikeja, Lagos. And not to forget the website, www.tentrade.com. We hold trainings on market analysis here every week, Monday to Friday from 11 a.m. Reach out to us, and I will wish you a profitable trading week ahead.